guys, what's up? It's Kasheera here. How y'all doing? So you guys, today we're gonna talk about menstruation, PMS, some remedies. So let's just dive in. Alright you guys, so every month when it's about to be that time for Aunt Flo to visit, I experience so many crazy emotions. And generally you guys, I'll start to feel like everything is worse than it actually is. Like, as soon as I start feeling like I'm not in a good mood or like I'm in a funk, it's like so detrimental for me to be starting to think about how I feel about everything that I had momentum on. And so I finally, you guys, it took me a long time, you guys, I finally realized that I had been responding a certain way every month, but it took me a minute. It was like little things that bothered me throughout the month were completely intensified when it was like the week before my period. It was just affecting things that it didn't need to affect, like things that you want to have a clear mind so that you can make the best choice, but it would just completely mess up my decision making and how I felt about everything, you guys. So naturally I had to find some remedies. Now I don't know if you guys know about Earth Clinic, but Earth Clinic, oh my gosh, they have, it's like a treasure trove of natural remedies. So if you're not up on Earth Clinic, just go right now, seriously. Anytime I have something that I'm going through, I always try to heal it naturally or treat it as natural as possible. So I've been on Earth Clinic like, okay, what can I do for this? What can I do for that? So anyway, for PMS, I started doing molasses, which I was already, well actually I was on molasses for anemia, but it's great for PMS. So like what I do is, leading up to my period, I'll start drinking. I have this drink that I make for PMS. I'll show you guys how I make my drink.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of the molasses and adding it to a tall cup. Then I'm going to add hot water and a little coconut milk.
Alright you guys, so that is one of the remedies that I use. I use the calm magnesium. I'll make drinks with that. And I'll also use apple cider vinegar. But you guys, I use apple cider vinegar for the actual cramps. It works for me. And I want y'all to try it or let me know if it works for you guys. So what I'll do is I'll do 1 cap full of apple cider vinegar in like a tall glass of water, so like 8 ounces of water, and I'll take that, y'all, before my period, before my cramps start, and that helps so much, you guys. And if I take it and I still have cramps, I take another cup because I am not trying to have cramps. And you guys, that has worked for me, so I love that. I love that, y'all. I be going through bottles of apple cider vinegar because I don't play. And sometimes if I take it and I don't feel the cramps, I'll think like, oh, I'm good for the rest of the day. No, you gotta at least try to take it every, I'd say 4 to 6 hours, because the cramps will come back and then you're gonna be miserable again. So apple cider vinegar has been an awesome remedy for cramps. Oh, one other thing that was good for PMS was kombucha. I don't know how, you guys, but it seemed like everything has to do with the gut. If you make sure your gut is like great, you probably fix a lot of your problems. But yes, you guys, sometimes if I'm moody or I feel like my mood is just like extra, it's very intense, I'll go and get a Kevita or like a kombucha, and that really helps. Alright you guys, so those are my top 3 remedies for PMS, and my main remedy to treat menstrual cramps is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also great for preventing like excess blood loss. So if you just find yourself really heavy, apple cider vinegar can help you to lose less blood. Only reason I know that is because one time, I think right before I had Makai, this was before I got pregnant, I had 2 periods, and I had a period one week and then I had a period the next week, and I was like, no. So since I was starting to get worried that I was going to be losing too much blood, because like, why I got 2 periods though, I started taking apple cider vinegar, and by the second day that I was taking the apple cider vinegar, the bleeding was like a lot less. So if you find yourself that you're too heavy as far as your blood flow, your period flow, apple cider vinegar. Just try it. A lot of people don't like the taste. So there's a warm drink that I also make that has apple cider vinegar. I'll leave the recipe for that as well if you guys want to try to make that. Alright you guys, I hope this helps you and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Peace out.